I was sent this study earlier today on LinkedIn, and it's interesting to me for two reasons. Number one, why do we need another study on ED? Studies for women's sexual health seem basically non-existent and are grossly underfunded. Number two, anyway, it shows that it's an exploratory review of an improbable association between sleep-related bruxism and ED. But in sleep medicine, we sometimes see that sleep-related bruxism is a sign or potentially even a symptom of sleep apnea. And we know that people who have sleep apnea sometimes experience erectile dysfunction, and we also know that erectile dysfunction can be improved with the treatment of sleep apnea. So I'm curious why they say it's improbable, and I'm curious what you think.